Thinking about selling your home in Vermont this winter? You might be surprised. Winter isn't always the slow season. I'm Emily. I help people just like you who want to make a move right here in Barre and Montpelier, Vermont. And I'd love to help you too. The best way to reach me is by shooting me a text, giving me a call, sending me an email, or grabbing a spot on my calendar to set up a video call. A lot of people assume winter is a bad time to sell because the market slows down and there aren't a ton of buyers out there. But here's the thing, those buyers that are in the market in the winter, they are serious and they're motivated. And that could actually work in your favor. So let's talk about a few benefits of selling your house in the winter. In the winter, there are often fewer homes on the market. When there are fewer homes on the market, that means as a seller, your competition has dropped drastically. And that could help your property really stand out. When there aren't as many other homes for a buyer to look at, it actually positions your property quite well. In the winter, buyers are often more motivated and ready to make a move quickly. Generally, if someone is looking to move in the winter, they have a good reason to. Maybe they change jobs or their family might be getting bigger or smaller, or they're relocating. Winter can also give you the perfect opportunity to highlight the cozy features of your home. Think fireplaces, energy efficient updates, and beautiful snowy views. The weather can make showings tricky, limited daylight can affect photography, and buyers might assume the market's slower. But here's how we tackle that. Make sure your driveways and walkways are clear so people can get in and out of your home easily and without incident during the winter. Plus, it also adds a little bit of curb appeal. Another good practice is to turn on all of your lights and make sure the temperature of your home is comfortable for those coming to take a look. We want to make sure your home looks bright and inviting, and anyone who comes to take a look will want to make it their home too. And like in any season, we want to price the property appropriately for the current market and be ready to negotiate if needed. Here in Barre and Montpelier, winter buyers often include those relocating to the area or people needing to move before spring for one reason or another. If your home is priced right and presented well, winter can actually be a smart time to sell. Let's go over a few things that can help your winter listing shine. First, we want to stage your home to feel warm and cozy. Light candles, put cozy blankets on the back of the couches, maybe add a seasonal wreath to the door. And like in any season, make sure your home is clear of as much clutter as possible. You want to highlight the features that feel extra cozy in the winter months. Professional photos are a must for any time of the year, and always try to be as flexible as possible with showings. Selling in the winter months might feel overwhelming at first, but with the right strategy, it can actually be a very strategic move. And that's what I help my clients do every day. Sell their homes for the right price at the right time with as little stress as possible. So if you're thinking about selling your home this winter in Barre or Montpelier, I'd love to help you make that happen. The best way to reach me is by sending me a text or giving me a call, sending me a quick email, or grabbing a time on my calendar for a video call. Let's chat and figure out the best plan for you and your home.